in this question from the assertion reasoning coordinate geometry, it says the value of y should be 6 for which the distance between the points P and Q are this. And they say that we are going to, the reason is this. Let's say first figure out the assertion part. We know that the distance between any 2 points is given by this. So we have the line segment as PQ here. Let's say PQ, and the distance, say this is P, this is Q. The coordinate of P is given 2 minus 3, and the coordinate of Q is given 10y, and the distance between them is 10 unit. So these are the information we have. Now we are going to apply the distance formula to check whether the assertion part is correct or not. Now, as I said, we are going to use this distance formula here. Instead of AB, we are going to write PQ here. So the PQ, which is applying the distance formula, it should be x2 minus x1 whole square. That is taking this as x2 and this as x1. So x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 10 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y2 is y here, y2 minus 3, that is plus 3 whole square, that is y2 minus y1 whole square. Now what I'm doing here is getting writing the value of PQ, which is mentioned as 10 as per the question. And this is 10 minus 2, which is 8. 8 squared is 64. Let this be as it is, that is y plus 3 the whole square. Now further, what we are going to do is do squaring both sides. On squaring both sides, right? On squaring both sides, this will be 10 squared, which is 100. On the other side, the root will get removed. So it will come as 64 plus y plus 3 the whole square. Now, if I transpose 64 on the other side, so it's 100 minus 64, that is equal to 36. That is equal to y plus 3 whole square. Now, what in general, you should know that on transposing this square, there will be under root 36, and under root 36 is not 6, but it is plus minus 6. Right? So this is important to understand that under root 36 is not 6, it's plus minus 36. So we can say that y minus 3 will have two possible values. That is, I can write here, I can say y minus 3, either it is equal to 6 or y minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So from here we get y is equal to 6 plus 3, that is 9. And here y is equal to minus 6 plus 3, it is equal to minus 3. So we have two values of y. One is this, another is this. But as for the assertion, they are saying that the value of y is 6. So assertion is wrong. And I can see that the formula applied for the distance formula, the reason is correct. So when assertion is correct and the reason is, assertion is true and the reason is false, we say the option here is C.